So what we're going to do is we're going to try and work out how to draw a simple line. The best way to do that is to have an X under a Y column. And if you can visualise on the graph where your X and Y points are, so if my first point would be along 1 up 7, along 3 and up 9. Okay? There's 2 dots, and that's what I want to draw a line, that's what I wanted to get the equation for the straight line first of all. What I'll do is I'll go here, I'll go insert scatter graph. For just now, what I'll do is I'll make that scatter graph one with the dots on it. I normally select, that one there, what I normally do. Yeah. But for this example, I'll just show you this one. Right. I go right click, I select data, I add, I'll call it a sample. Then it says select X values. So press that, let's press those 2. Enter, select Y values, enter, press OK, then press OK. There's my 2 points.
Yes.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my points here. So I get them selected now. Hover over, right click, and I'll go add trend line. Add trend line, and I'm going to do display equation on chart. There's my equation for that. However, if I go in there and I change this, there's my equation, yeah? Right? So I can change that. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
So if I go, how about we do that then? So I'm going to have, now I want to draw that line but out in full now. So I'll have I'll have X and I'll have Y. I'm going to just go from here, I'll go 0, and I'll go 0, and I'll go equals the above, plus 0.1. Okay? Select that and copy it all the way down. Okay, so that's me just draw a whole bunch of X points along that way. I need to get the Y points up the way. Well, it's easy, my equation's there. I'll go equals, type that equation in. It happens to be 5 times X. There's my X plus 2. There's my equation. Right? And all I need to do now is copy that and paste that all the way down. Come on, there we are. Right, so if I now go, there's faster ways to do it, but I'm going to do it slow ways because keep what I do consistent. I'm now going to graph that, but not on that graph. I'll do it in a separate graph. So I'll go insert, scatter graph. This time, I'm going to do this one. So I'm not going to show the points. I just want the lines in between the points. And I'll right click, select data, add, and I'll call it line line 1 for the sake of a name. Select that as my X data. So select my whole thing.
Yeah.
And my Y values. press OK, and press OK. Right. I've now drawn that line there. I've drawn it in its entirety within that range. Okay. Imagine if I want to draw a line from there to there, where y equals 60. Well, why don't I just do that? I'll go y equals 60, right? That's just my name, yeah? That's my name for this line here. And I'll go, let's do 60 actually. Just do that. Paste it all the way down. Right? I can then graph that. I can go in there, right click, select data, add new. I'll call it y equals 60, just keep it consistent. Select my x values. So I want to select the entire, I don't know what's happening there. Do that again. Select my x. Right, there's something wrong. Let me just come out and do that again. Add, call it 60, right? There's something not right. Please watch just a second. Oh, wrong one. Yeah, they've got a line going horizontally there. So, but I want that dashed. And
So creating a horizontal line across the line, but then it's going beyond the intersect, the ones you had on.
yeah, we'll get there. We'll get there, right? We still need to find where it intersects, but we'll come to that in a minute. But whilst we're going to pick the line, I'll select the line. I'll go over here. Now, that doesn't come up. I'll pick the line. And I'll go, right click, format data series. Go to that one. Now I can go here. And I'll go dash type. I like that one. Quite nice. Can zoom in. Makes it look nice and pretty. I can change the colour, do all the rest. Now, what you were saying is, we now want to not just stop the line there, but you want to know where the intersect is so I can stop it there. There's multiple ways to do it. One way to do it would be just to have a look at the graph and have a look at roughly it's in between 10 and 12 on the X, yeah? So I could just manually do it. Now yours is not 10 and 12, yours is several thousand, right? So if you do how I'm going to show you, it might speed up your process. But we're not between 10 and 12 on the X value. So I go down here. I know it's between here and here. The intersect, I know that. And what I know is wherever this here is as close a value to that as possible. Obviously, I cannot see the life of me that is exactly there, right? I cannot see how there's thousands of them. So what I'm going to do to help speed this up, I'll colour them now. I'll go here, and all I'll do is that, take away that. All I'm going to do, copy that, paste that down. And now what I'm looking to do is to find the smallest number in there.
So
Excel's being a bit weird. Excel's allowed to be weird, right? That's how I set it up, unfortunately. But we've got minus 1 to the power of minus 13. Right. If that's not 0, then nothing is 0. That's 0. Right? I'd look down to find one number that's smaller, 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 getting bigger, bigger, bigger. Oh, that's there. That's more. That is my intersect. Now, how do I stop my line to where I want to stop it? Quite easy. Better with a mouse. Not got a mouse on me. Well, I have. It's in the bag. Select that. Now you see that this is selected. What I can do is I can do that.
yeah.
Come down here. I'm going to stop it there. Easier with the mouse.
Oh.
And now my line has stopped exactly where we want it to stop. Make sense? Now, let's just say I want a vertical line. Why not? I mean, why not? Who doesn't want a vertical line? So we could just do something similar to what we've done here to draw a line. Tell you what I'm going to do is I'm going to allow you to play with it. There's more than one way to do this. And if you don't draw the vertical line, not overly fast. If you do draw it, you might get that extra 0.5%. I will mean it will be only that tiny. If you do work out where you're doing it, or one of many ways you could do it, maybe I'm going to have to maybe something to try and get that 100% right? Does that help answer some of your questions? Yeah, you now got the theory of what you've got to do. You do your first guess, 10%, 40%, work out the equation of the line, same as that. You then have to then convert that equation to this new equation with a move horizontal of 0.01 times h, whatever h is the height. You do that line, then you find the intersect, similar to what we just done there, using that same technique, and then you draw a line across. I would definitely draw it across, but wait until you've done the make, because don't draw it out for your first guess and your second guess and your third guess. Just draw it out for your last one.
Okay.
Right? As long as within 5%, then we're all good. But you've now got the tools that you need, and these guys are already almost finished anyway. These are almost there.
What we don't know is how do I know the y of the intersect?
I just showing you how to do it.
But
That's how you find what the intersect is, by using that minus or that minus that.
but this already know that y is 60. But what if I don't know? Because I don't know the y's value of the.
Right. So say you don't know those values are live and those are live, right?
Yeah.
Well, now you have to have a line. You have to draw the line up, and that line, by drawing it up, is similar to that there, isn't it? You have to draw the line, and all you have to then do is one minus the other, and what was nearest to 0 is your answer. You're going to need to walk the You're going to need to walk the around.
These are tested.
Oh,
Yeah.
or need help in the future, or doing your masters.
Yeah, but it's coming out with some interesting data.
Yeah, I think I follow.
Look at the tool.
No, it should. It should. It should.
In this case,
Just
I don't know the Y's value.
Why value of God?
This is.
Yeah, all you need. You've got two data sets. You got the data set for that one, right?
Yeah.
So that's that one.
But I don't know the exact value.
No, I'm going to show you how. I'll just show you how to do it. Look, there's your data set for that one there.
Yeah.
Y.
Yeah.
Right, and there's your line. That's my Y equals 60. That's that line there. Right. All you have to do is you go between 4 and 4.5.
Yeah.
So what I've done was I went between 10 and 12. So you just scroll down your data. You see roughly that section. So you would go between 4 and 4.5. Right? So all you would do. Then you would go equation. You go that minus that.
But what is this one?
You have that! You've got it!
But I don't know.
How do you not have that line? You've drawn it.
This value.
How do you not have that line? You've drawn the line.
I don't know the value of Y.
Do you have that? Go and show me that line. Please show me that line on this.
Assume.
Please show me on this. How did you draw the lines? You drew the line.
Yeah, but
The Y value, you calculated it.
the intersect Y value.
No. You've got a column of data called Y value, haven't you?
Yeah.
All you need to do is go between 4 and 4.5.
But I don't know this value.
You do! You do, show me it! You do have it! Hey, the right one there. No, that will help with you. Right. So, can you show me that line, please? No, not there.
Line.
Can you show me that line over here? I'm sorry, over here, please. Where is it? Is that it there? Is that your line?
Yeah.
Right. All you need to do is go between 4 and 4.5.
Oh, I know what you mean.
4, right?
Yeah.
And 4.5 is further down. And all you need to do is... Right, sorry. My manager's not that good. All you need to do is do that equation that I've done there.
I know.
Is that. So do a thing there. Do it for me now. Do that minus that, please.
Minus
please do it.
this.
Or just do it for me now, though. Please do it. Please do it.
这个几分？
来，这一行这个
Yeah, minus that one. Enter.
And
then copy that down.
between 4 and 4.5, the smallest one, the most.
One nearest 0. Right. You want to do that all the way down. Hold on. You want to do it all the way down to about
4.5.
and then find the smallest one.
Okay. I know.
And that's how you find.
Okay.
That's find the intersect.
Okay, I know.
Right. Sorry about that. It's like, yeah, you've got it all there. It'll take you half an hour max. Right.